Merry Christmas, everybody. This is Ted from Off the Hook. Today's video you're watching is all the highlights of this year. And we are very excited to bring this to you. Our hunting season isn't over yet, so we still got some more late season hunts, but I wanted to bring this to you on Christmas Day. So I wanted to say thank you to our followers, all our subscribers. We had a great season this year, and we're hoping the next season's even better. So I hope you enjoy this video, and it's also the director's cut.
One take one.
Welcome to Off the Hook Outdoors. I'm Ted, your host. Today's video, I'm doing a highlight video of our 2024 deer season so far. This is the director's cut. So what I'm going to be doing is explaining to you some of the clips that I have here, and then at the end I'll show you some extra clips and some slow motion of all the kill shots this year. So hope you enjoy the video. So this first clip is Theo's biggest buck of his 3-year career. He shot a nice 5-point down at our camp. So the cool thing about this video is if you listen to it, you'll hear him breathing and how excited he gets, which is awesome as a dad. So I was very proud of him. It was about a 40-yard shot. He pulled it a hair, but he did the job, so I was really proud of him for that. And so why don't you take a look at this clip.
30. He's 30 right now. He's probably 40. Put the 40 on him. You got the 40 on him? Yeah. Squeeze the trigger. Hold on. Shoot it. You should take your time. I can shoot the 40 on him. Okay. Good. You got him. Nailed him. I nailed him. I know I nailed him. I know I nailed him. Let him go. He's gone. I know I nailed him. I know I nailed you, boy. Okay, hold on. Let him go. Come on. He went down, I think. He's coming back. He's coming back. I think he's going down. Just let him go. Let him go. Go down, you beast. Go down, you beast. Come on, baby. Go down. I know I nailed you. I know you did. I know I did. Let him go down. I'm so positive. Come on. I see him. His tail's wagging. He doesn't know what happened.
All right, so that was pretty exciting. Watching him do that and being there with him and listening to him, he was really excited. That was his biggest buck. We actually got the European mount back today, so he's pretty excited about that. But if nothing happened the rest of the year, that definitely made my year. So this next clip, guys, is October 16th. Here by my house, I end up shooting a 9-point. So let's take a look at the clip. All right, so that was very fun. That was a great hunt. As you can see in the video and hear in the video, that deer didn't take but 30 seconds to fall down and expire. So that was really cool. This next clip now is my biggest buck taken in Ohio on October 26th. I'm going to let this full clip run through for you guys so you guys can sort of get the experience. Now let me explain something to you. First, you're going to see the trees, and you'll see my camera facing the trees because I was sitting in my stand, and the buck actually was come out of the thicket and walked directly towards me. I was able to turn the camera on, but I couldn't move. He went and checked the scrape in front of me, and then he went back the way he came, and he started going down the hill, and when he come out of the path, that's when I moved. And if you see in this clip here, I will zoom in when the deer, like before he looks at me, and I had to make that shot. And if you look at the two trees that are there that I had to shoot through, I was about a 2 foot way to shoot him. There was like a 2 foot between the two trees, so I had to take that shot. So take a look at the clip. All right, so that was my biggest buck I've ever taken with a bow, crossbow, anything. That was with a crossbow, but that was my biggest buck ever so far. So I'm very proud of that, very exciting. So I was very lucky this year to take that deer. And as you can see at the end, after I shot the deer and it ran, if you can see that road down there, if that deer would have crossed that road, there's about a 4-foot swamp over there. It would have been tough to get him out. Well, he ended up expiring right before that road, right at the bottom of the hill. So it didn't take him. He ran about 50 yards. So that was very cool. This next clip now is first day of rifle season in PA. And this is my son taking a doe with the 243. So let's take a look.
She's standing there. Mm-hmm.
All right, so as you can see, he put a great shot on that deer. That deer ran about 20, 25 yards into the wood line, and we found her 30 yards into the wood line there, laid down, and so we went and grabbed that. But this next clip now is the same day, that evening. My dad ends up taking a doe. So we're going to watch that clip right now. All right, so that was my dad's doe, and that was the opening day of the PA rifle season this year. It was cool that Theo got one and he got one on the same day. These next couple clips here, though, I just wanted to add them in there because it's some neat footage that I got. The first clip is going to be a Spike just doing some rutting activity, chasing some doe around in our food plot. And then, which was really cool, is there's a doe that's feeding on the pears, but the pears are still in the tree, and she ends up getting up on her hind legs, and she grabs a branch, and she pulls the branch to like shake the pears off, which is pretty cool. And then the next clip after that is a nice 7-point that my dad ended up passing up in archery season. So let's take a look. All right, so in these next couple clips here are all the deer that we harvested this year, and I'm just giving it to you in slow motion. So hopefully you enjoy these last couple clips.
Just hunting wild and free. Did you want it's clear to see? All the gear, the silent chase. Thrill of hunting feels like grace. Screens may glow, but heartbeats roar. Off the hook, need nothing more. Watching deer hunting every night. Off the hook, my screams delight. Hearts are racing in the dark. Hit the play, my fire sparks.
All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was the director's cut of the 2024 highlights of our hunting season this year. So I wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to preserve our sport and pass it on to future generations. And we will see you.